This is one more hitchhiker from Western Ghats region. There it's a common plant. In the monsoon it will occur all over the walls and all that. All kind of places where it's moist, because this is one of the species that's filled with water. The stem and all you can see. There's nothing but water here. So it needs high humidity inside the shade net in the nursery and all. It grows well. It looks also quite nice. Kind of feathery touch is there. And very tiny white flowers also there. Almost invisible. There you can see some tiny things. Those are the flowers. Try to magnify them. ಏನ್ರ ನಿಂದು ಕಾಟ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ ನಿತ್ಕೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಫೋಟೋ ಹೊಡಿತೀನಿ. ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು ಹೇಳು? ನಿಂದು? ಹಾಂ ಆಯಿತು. ಟಾಟಾ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ. ಎಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.